Flix coming at you with another theme park adventure, this time Disney's Hollywood Studios. But before we begin, we publish theme park videos on this channel all the time. So hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll know when another video is ready for you to view. And by the way, my favorite Disney theme park is Hollywood Studios because I love the movies. Now the reason why I'm here today is that I never come to a Disney park without a fast pass. I don't have any fast passes today. I wanted to see what it was like to visit the park without the passes. So let's go see what we can do. And as we come up to the Tower of Terror, the first thing I need to do though, I need to congratulate Omar and Alyssa Duran for winning our holiday giveaway. Congratulations guys, we're sending that ornament out to you when I get home from the park. No fast pass, no problem. We're here at 9 o'clock in the morning. They aren't even listing a time, a wait time for Tower of Terror. Let's go hop on it right now. It's the best way to wake up in the morning.
You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. Beyond it is another dimension, a dimension of sound, a dimension of sight, a dimension of mind. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
So the Tower of Terror, a fun time as always, but there were only 3 people in my cart. It is a little more fun when the cart is crowded though. Now let's head over to Rock and Roller Coaster, see what that's like without a fast pass today, but we are here early. Haha, no fast pass, no problem first thing in the morning, only a 5-minute wait here on December 14th, 2018. Now the real test is going to be when I get over to Toy Story Land and Slinky Dog Dash. I'll explain why after I get off of Rock and Roller Coaster.
Because we're getting ready to rock on this exclusive live broadcast.
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep our cell phones and cameras completely put away for the entire ride.
Please welcome back. Exit to your right and walk this way.
Well, there you go. I just got off of Rock and Roller Coaster with a first timer. 8-year-old Dominic, his mom sent him on the ride alone. It's his first time on a roller coaster that went upside down. So he saw me and asked if he could ride with me. And of course I said yes. He loved it. His first time on a roller coaster upside down. He had a good time. I had a good time. Things are going well, but we need to go to Toy Story Land and see how the wait times are there. I have a reason to believe that they're going to be pretty high. And the reason why I think Toy Story Land is going to be busy today is that there was a separately ticketed event called like Magical Mornings. This is where you can get a breakfast inside of Toy Story Land like an hour and a half before the park opens. And the cost of this, I looked at it online last night, it's like $85 for a single person. I think the pricing goes down the more people you add, like, you know, you add a party of 2 or 3, the pricing per person is going to be lower. Toy Story Land is popular to begin with, and you add in the fact that there was this magical morning breakfast. I have a feeling my Slinky Dog Dash ride may not happen today. So the first part of my life here without a fast pass at Hollywood Studios has been pretty swell. You know, I rode my 2 favorite rides, no problem. But as we enter Toy Story Land, I have a feeling that's all about to change. And the other thing I'm worried about, look at the sky. The weather is not looking good today. We have a cold front coming through. The wait time for Toy Story Mania, Midway Mania, not too bad at 35 minutes, but as we pan over here, this is the end of the line for Slinky Dog Dash. Let's go check on the time. And here we go, Slinky Dog Dash, 95 minutes. I can't do it. It might be raining in 95 minutes. Since it doesn't look like we're going to get on the ride today, let's just get a gratuitous shot of Slinky Dog doing its thing. Here it comes. This is my favorite part of the ride, the humps. Bye guys, hope you had fun. Alright, Midway Mania is only 35 minutes. Let's circle back around and hop on that one because I'm feeling sprinkles already. Well, good fortune for me. The wait time went from 35 to 25. Plus it's indoors and these little sprinkle drops, they're getting a little fatter. For me, this is the first time I've been in the new queue, the standby queue, because I'm always doing fast passes. Okay, this is where I really miss Nikki. Here we go! No need to talk about the score. I think I have my history of my low scores already documented. And wouldn't you know it, the one time I go through the standby line is the one time the penguin, what's his name, Squeakers, Mr. Squeaky, whatever. It's the one time he's not actually playing and doing his little bit. The one time I go through standby and this happens to me. Oh, and by the way, weatherman, thank you for saying it wasn't going to rain till 3 o'clock, where it is now like 10:30 and it's raining. So Slinky Dog is actually the only outside ride here at Hollywood Studios, and it is running right now. The rain's not going to stop it. What usually stops it is lightning. There's no lightning with this front coming through. But the other covered ride here in Toy Story Land is the Saucer ride, but it's a 40-minute wait, and quite honestly, it's not as much fun by yourself. You kind of need someone with you on this ride, so I'm going to pass on it today. So what we'll do is we'll switch to Rick Vision, put the hat over the camera to catch some of these shots. And it should be noted the wait time has dipped down for Slinky Dog to 70 minutes now. Okay guys, with the rain coming down pretty good now, I mean, it's a heavy sprinkle. Let's go find another indoor ride. I'm thinking Star Tours. So with the rain, it doesn't bother me so much. I actually like being in the theme park in the rain if I'm not vlogging. Now when I'm vlogging, the main concern is the camera and getting it wet, particularly the microphone. If a drop of water gets in that microphone, it just ain't gonna sound right. So as I'm making my way over to Star Tours, we're walking by the Chinese Theater here, and I'm reminded that Mickey's Runaway Railway is going to be opening this spring. We kind of think April or May. I think the 30th anniversary of Hollywood Studios is May 1st, so I'm thinking by May 1st this ride will be up and running. Now I will say this about the Runaway Railway, this one has better be good because it is replacing one of my favorite attractions at Hollywood Studios, which was the Great Movie Ride, so they better not miss the mark with this ride. And having just mentioned that the Runaway Railway opening in the spring of 2019 and the fall of 2019, we've got the big one, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. And we seem to have a bit of construction going on here outside the gift shop of Star Tours. I'm betting this is just going to be like another edition of the facade, kind of an easier access. Though that is just a guess on my part. I have no idea, I have done no research on this, and haven't heard anything about this little construction that's going on here. Yep, last night I checked the weather. It said no rain till 3 o'clock. I said, great, I'll be done by 3. Guess what? It's like 10:45 and it's raining. Since we do have some rain today, I'm thinking I'll go ahead and do Star Tours, and then maybe I'll go catch a show, something I've never seen, like that Beauty and the Beast. Star Tours without a fast pass, a 20-minute wait. This will be a record wait for me. Well, I didn't see the Orlando forecast.
Oh, I see, it's my break time. Excuse me for a moment while I shut down.
Well, this is new. I've never seen this. I think because of the rain outside, they moved Darth Vader indoors for the little Jedi training.
Please prepare for immediate boarding.
Ready? Yeah.
I didn't lock the door, miss. Just go quick! Star Tours, what are you doing here? I have no idea! Well, stay low. Why? It uses their tracking. Now put your shields on. If they work.
So I had a good run as Rebel Spy. The last 2 times I've been on it, I was the Rebel Spy, but not today. Well, honestly guys, Star Tours makes me a little motion sickness, so I'm very interested to see what they're going to do with the new rides in Galaxy's Edge. Hopefully I won't have that problem when that land opens. I have paused for a moment because I must admit, I don't know where Beauty and the Beast is. That is a show here, right? I could have sworn, I thought it was going to be like by the Little Mermaid show, but it's not. So I have to ask for help. I have no idea. It's the show here, right? Beauty and the Beast is in the studios, right? You know, well, maybe one of these guys knows. Maybe Darth Maul right there. Maybe he knows. Where's the Beauty and the Beast show, Maul? Where's that at? No? Nothing? Little short for a stormtrooper, aren't you? Yeah, I think so. Well, the henchmen from the Empire weren't very helpful, but you know who was? A cast member. It's down here on Hollywood Boulevard. And geez, did you see the attitude Darth Maul gave me when I asked the question? What's up with that? And yes, the crowds have picked up. We're getting what? It's in the 11 o'clock hour. The crowds have picked up. Before I go, I'm going to check the wait times on some of these rides that I went on earlier today with no wait whatsoever. Ah, here it is. Now I knew if it wasn't going to be by the Little Mermaid Theater, that it was going to be over here by Fantasmic. It's an hour and a half to the next show, so let's go ahead right now and check on the wait times and maybe grab a bite to eat. And then we'll come back and catch the show. Oh my goodness, I just missed it. I was walking up and the wait time said 25 minutes. I was like, oh wow, that's not too bad. And then the numbers started to flip and it moved all the way up to 40 minutes right now at just past 11 o'clock a.m. So when I was here first thing in the morning, wait time for a rock and roller coaster was just 5 minutes. But now it's up to 75. I'm not even going to be able to film much in this hour and a half because the battery that's in the camera now is blinking red, meaning it's dying. So I want to save the other battery for the show. But I will try to find a spot to eat, show you at least what I'm having for lunch today. And FYI, I'm on the hunt for a good hot dog here. Well, the Dockside Diner has a couple of hot dog options, but they're pricey. 13 bucks. I mean, they're foot longs, but $13, I'm not looking for that. Let me try one other spot. As I thought, the Backlot Express does have some hot dogs. Actually, chili cheese dogs. Let's go inside and check out the pricing on these, though. Alrighty, guys, so they do have a hot dog, and it is $2 cheaper than the Dockside, but it is way smaller. It's just like a regular sized dog versus the footlong they have over there at Dockside. So what does it all mean for me and my lunch? I'm heading back to Dockside to stare at the menu and ponder. It's killing me, but I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to get the $13 hot dog. You're killing me, Disney. You're killing me. $18 later, I have my hot dog, my chili dog. You guys know I'm big on mustard on a hot dog. The other acceptable topping is chili, but I have a little bit of buyer's remorse. $18 on lunch. I shouldn't have gotten the large root beer. I should have got the free water. Feeling a little guilty, but I guess I'll just eat my feelings with this hot dog. Having finished my lunch, I am feeling a little guilty. I shouldn't have had that theme park foods. Spent so much money, had so many bad calories, but at least I can recommend if you want a hot dog, go with that one. It's very large. You can cut it in half, share it, and cut the price in half as well. So choose that one over the one they have over the Backlot Express. Alrighty guys, I'm getting in line for a Beauty and the Beast, but I'm not going to include it in this video. I'm sure there's like copyrighted music that I don't want to in this vlog itself. So at the end of this video, I'll have a little link. I'll have that, you know, it'll come up in the credits. Click on that video if you want to see the whole Beauty and the Beast show. Now, as far as today is concerned, I had a really good day without any fast passes. Now, the key to that was getting here early because I was able to do like Tower of Terror and Rock and Roller Coaster, just walk-ons. The only thing I couldn't do today was Slinky Dog Dash, but those fast passes are hard to get anyway. But regardless, what a super fun time. And with that being said, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Thanks for watching Rick's Flix, and now it's time to relax or click on that Beauty and the Beast video.